Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I very much welcome. My name is Pilile. Now, I want to talk about this what the whole Latoya McKenna's saga. There's just a whole lot that is happening, you guys. I remember watching a podcast yaka Lungelo KM, where Lungelo interviewed ubaba ubaba uthiwa nomkhulu uMahlala Entabeni, the one who's Latoya McKenna's baby daddy, right? I remember watching that particular interview, and he said a whole lot about Letoya McKenna, and people were saying, "Yeah, man, Usis Lebo Keswa, Letoya McKenna's ex, she did not lie. Remember how she crashed out after the separation between her and Letoya?" And then I guess Letoya moved on. I do not know, straight to Ubaba or with someone else before. I do not know, but that is the baby daddy after Lebo Keswa. So also Nayeke is separated now from Chiamakene, and he goes to that particular podcast, and also the very same thing that happened with Ulebo K. So you know what I mean. So I've been watching everything, you guys. I wanted to take a break, but being book and the whole saga ya Letoya, with the people saying all her exes, when they move on from her, it's like they lose their minds. If you know what happened to the Lebo K, so Latoya lies, and all those things. You know what I mean? Ubaba naye come to say, yeah, damanga le ntombazane, damanga, ungambona phuma toilet. Uthi ngikubonile phuma toilet, athi ubonanga mina. You know what I mean? There's just a whole lot ka Letoya, but there's just a whole lot. If you know Letoya McKenna, you guys, she's an actress. I think she's also a musician. And Esangoma, as they say, hey, she's a fake Esangoma, what. But kuningi, man, you know what I mean? Kuningi, people have judged her when it comes to that particular baby daddy, who is the ex now, but he's the baby daddy because they share a child together. People are judging her. Ukuthi njani someone like Letoya can fall in love with this man? Like, really? Mangithi ngiyabuka mina ubaba, I see nje ubaba oyisangoma. For someone who is a sangoma, I'll expect ukuthi nje ahlala aswenkile amuhle njani acwebezele, you will be like, no man, I think ngoba phela unobungoma. But people have always called him a para. He even ahleli lapha noLungelo on the podcast, he was like, I'm the so-called, doing his fingers, I'm the so-called para baby DJ akaLetoya, you know what I mean? But mangimbuka mina angiliboni iphara. Okay, ngibona umuntu engekho mhlawumbe ke ku league yakaLetoya, just like people are judging njani, how can Letoya fall in love with this person, akekho like standard sakhe. A lot have been said. We've judged and judged, you guys. Sesijudge sajaja saba-comparisha ukuthi no, Letoya is a celebrity, ubaba is a para, because we took a decision to, the para baby daddy is even called the para baby daddy, right? So kuningi man kule ndawo kaLetoya, you know what I mean? For me, I'm like, okay, mangabe she's now down and out, uyahluphekela impilo imshayile, ebese thola umuntu naye ushaye impilo bese beyaphila. You know what I mean? Sometimes usho ukuthi wena, if uLetoya was the Letoya that we know vele thina, impilo ingamshayanga right, yonke into ihambe ngemoto, i-actress right, do you think she was gonna fall into the hands of ubaba? I think ngoba phela ubaba wafika empilweni yakhe mhlambe eshayekile kwayena, ehlalela kubo, engenamali, engenalutho. Like, we hear all these stories ukuthi okay, bacela ama-tissue kutheni kwangathini, you know what I mean? Yonke lento esiyizwayo, right? Obviously impilo usike imshayile, so umethole umuntu naye ushaye impilo behlupheka bobabili, like sometimes ngathi asihlupheke sonke. That's how I say things, you guys. Angithandi ukuthi ngijaji kakhulu, but mawufica vele ngidane athi ngingenalutho, ngingana 10 rand, nginganani, ngikufice nawe bese sithi asiphilisane, but because people nina ningazi as an actress and nikhohle ukuthi nawe mdana nathi anginalutho, so obviously nami ngizofuna umuntu onjani, mhlawumbe ku-situation ecishe ifane nami. I do not know, ngizama ukumkhulumela nkosi yami, I'm trying. There's just a whole lot around uLetoya bafowethu. Of course impilweni iyashayana, sisiye sabona ama-actors nama-actresses beshaye impilo be-down and out. Remember ubaba uLuthuli, what is his name again? Sambona lana abantu bamthatha ivideo yathunyelwa lana kwathiwa how this actor remember bonke nje maybe I'm gonna put their pictures even if I forget their names. Sisababona abantu beshaya impilo. Do you think babeshaya impilo benjana bengathola those people who are living their lives out there behamba ngeimoto ebiza bethi bona beshaya impilo bengenalutho? Angithi they will choose the friends ababona ukuthi ngathi baku situation ya, like, if you get what I'm trying to say. So all I'm saying ukuthi mhlawumbe ulethu yena wadobha ubaba because she was done and out engenalutho ehlalela kubo ehluphekela nama siblings wakhe nobaba wakhe, you know, kwase kufika umuntu naye athi na wambona efana naye wathi hayi ngingaphila wena, because you know lethu ya the actress, lethu ya the TD from Generations, you know lethu ya the what, you know what I mean. Uzu expect ukuthi manje I dated those people, you know, forgetting ukuthi phela manje moka manje akana lutho nkosi yami, uphilela nje lempilo kaphilile ayiseyidobhela naye umuntu ohlalela emkhukhwini njengophilile, you know, bese asiphilisane job ngoba impilo le, you know what I mean. So that's how I see things mina, nokuthi nje we heard ukuthi she was igobela, akabona istory lapha esanolebo case okhulunywa ngamathwasana ukuthi lethoya angazi uyathwasisana whatever. So obviously her meeting someone who is a sangoma, if you know what I mean, meeting someone who is a sangoma who is a gobela, even though they are now saying it looks like it's fake, but gege. That's why I mean on my last video I said mhlambe bahlanganiswa ubungoma, you know what I mean. Mhlambe khona wathwasiswa omunye, khona wasizwa omunye ngikuthini basebe babona izimo zabo zifana, you know what I mean. Manje now we see a lot bakithi ever since wasabona ubaba kuKalungelo KM wakhuluma ngolethe, wakhuluma into eziningi, how she lies, how she sleeps with people, how she does this and that, how ngakibo kuyalwiwa njalo, and we see that ngoba lama clips lana kulwiwa nje woo akuningi. And then after ubaba, then now when it comes to Owami ngapha Owami interviews Letoya Makene's uncle, how now he comes about Letoya this, Letoya that. I'm like, there's no way even ngaba innocent uLetoya kube nguye wrong kuye yonke into. Nabo somehow they are wrong. All that information yakhulunywa by Letoya Makene's uncle umalume lapha ubaba, I think ubaba omkhulu ngoba it was said ukuthi he's older than Letoya Makene's father, right? All those things that Baba you were talking about, I feel like Ubaba, yes, he did expose uLetoya, but also exposing himself ukuthi naye udramatic njengabo, because how the hell wabomkhulu ungaya ngempela kuma podcast and talk about me like that? Ushuthi nje kule family. For me, the way I see things about the abantu bakaMakene, I think all of them nje ba dramatic, bane drama, bayathanda ukulwa, like ngizothi nje family it dysfunctional, you know what I mean. It is dysfunctional. Not that I'm saying my family is perfect, but the way we see the Makenes bafethu hayi ngekho omunye ayokhuluma ngomunye kuma podcast, kulandela omunye ayokhuluma ngomunye kuma podcast, kulandela omunye nje lesiya khona manje mangisathi sibone baba Letoya Makene's uncle, we go to learn she's Letoya, not Latoya, right? Dugu there is Lisa. The one who Baba spoke about when it comes to Lungelo KM, he mentioned Letoya Makene sleeping with Zahara's PA, former Zahara's PA, something like that, called Ulisa. I was like, okay, I've heard about Zahara's PA ngenkathi eshona uZahara kunegama elathi Lisa laqhamuka ngayo. Then Baba mentions, yeah, Letoya and Lisa sleeping together. Mangithi, because I watch Owami a lot, you guys. Lisa is now again, after Baba Makene on Owami's podcast, now it's Lisa. I'm like, who irahalang? Like, good dirahalang about the Makenes. Lisa also comes now. I know she's not a Makene, but she's a friend of Letoya, right? So she comes to clear her name, whatever. Ubaba said, ngale, ukuthi yeah, she was sleeping with Letoya, blah, 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 blah. Hey, them DRUGs. Now Lisa comes to clear, is Letoya this, Letoya that, Letoya. Yo, guys, for me, I feel like there's just a whole lot that is happening. Empileka Letoya, kuningi, kuminyene, hutlakatlakani, there's just a whole lot. And Owami mentions, ukuthi, Ubaba tried to come to the podcast. I think Owami mentioned she even promised that she's gonna explain everything on the other video. He tried coming there and then it didn't happen, but she's gonna explain on the next video. I guess it's also video Owami because obviously I watch all Owami's videos. So like So like sizokhuluma ngolethiya sonke sizokhuluma ngolethiya guys ngeke. It cannot be thina we are honest. We come to talk about uLethoya thina we are honest. Angeke. Guys, there's just a whole lot. Wow, kimuthu lena bathungu. I know you guys. Look, no one is perfect bafethu, but Lethoya omunye atle, Lethoya. Guys, even bamkhulu wakhe, hayi. This is just so unhealthy, man. Like njani mtakabawo nja. I know we've judged about the baby daddy. I see videos now when it comes to, because I follow that man on his TikTok. I can see angazi bebalandile ngengane yakhe, found Pauline McKenna. Kungatsha khona mall. Guys, no, le family kanti kwenzakala manje. Why omunye nomunye ufuna ukuza ku podcast azoclick igama lakhe? But all of them are going to speak about Lethoya. Awa tlogela ngwana omongwe lena. I know guys, she've done wrong things. Mhlambe inkosi yamphambukile, impilo beyimshayile, bekunzima ukuthatha ama decision. Kwabona like when you done and out awunamali awunafokolo, kunzima nokuthatha ama decision, uyawela la uwele khona. You know what I mean? That man even mentions ukuthi they will come and borrow the tissue, and guys, like really? Ukarraokeza like ezinye ungazisho phela ku-podcast ezinye nawe shiya, including someone coming to borrow the tissue or to ask for walina. But mina nje for me it's everybody, just nje kuleya family and the friends and whoever, wonke umuntu nje ngathi no si-toxic sonkeni akekho, angeke kube uLethoya yedwa sonke singaza Lethoya on podcast. Shemina, she makes bad decisions just like everyone. Nami ngiyawenza ama bad decisions, you know what I mean? But for me, it's everyone coming ka Lethoya on the podcast, ka Lethoya, including Ramoholo. Kuminyene bafethu,